Hello students. So let us begin looking at the suggested solutions for assignment 8.1. So here what we are going to do is we're going to look at some of the graphs with points on it, and we try to identify what is the coordinates, right? So here is the diagram. So let's start with the point A. As you can see, point A is somewhere on the right on this side. So when we read the coordinates, we look at the x-axis first, followed by the y-axis. That means point A over here. Okay, let me try to make my pen a little thicker. Can I increase the thickness? Let's try. Okay, let's see if this is better. Okay, the value here is 5, comma 2, right? This is how we write it. Point B is 4, comma negative 2, right? And where's point C? Point C is over here on the bottom left. So this point here is going to be negative 3 followed by negative 4. Point D is negative 5 followed by 4. Point E. Now point E happens to be on the y-axis. So if it's on the y-axis, it means, right, that the x value is 0 followed by 6. F over here is on the x-axis. That means the value is 1 and then the y value is 0. So with that, we can transfer the information to the necessary boxes. Let me zoom in a little more. So let's write down. This is 5, 2. This is 4, negative 2, negative 3, negative 5, negative 5, 4, 0, 6, and 1, 0. Right, so that's for the first question. I hope you've been successful. Let us take a look at the second page. Second page, this time round, okay, the points are not plotted and you are tasked to plot it, right? So let's look at the first one. Point A is negative 3, 6. So negative 3, 6 will be over here, right? So this is point A. Point B is 4, 5. So 4, 5 is going to be right there, right? So label it properly. This is B. Now C is 0, 2. That means it's on the y-axis over here. Let me label it properly. This is point C. Point D is 5, negative 1, which is going to be over here. This is point D. Let me write it properly. Point D. Point E is negative 4, negative 5. So negative 4, negative 5 is going to be at the bottom left over here, right? So negative 4, negative 5, this is point E. And finally, point F. Point F is negative 2, 0. So it'll be right here, negative 2, 0. This is point F. Let me zoom it out. So look at the locations of all the different points. I hope you have been successful. Okay, if not, well, do your corrections and learn. Have a nice day.